In this video, you'll learn how to fix a frozen screen on your Pixel 9 Pro or XL device. By following these steps, you will restore functionality and improve your device's performance. Start by performing a forced restart of your device. Press and hold the power button located on the right side of your Pixel for about 20 to 30 seconds. Continue holding until the Google logo appears on the screen. This action forces your device to restart and is often the quickest way to resolve freezing issues. Make sure not to release the button too early, as this could interrupt the process. Once the Google logo is visible, you can let go of the power button. After your device has restarted, take a moment to check your recently installed applications, navigate to the app drawer, and look for any apps that may be causing problems. If you identify any suspicious or recently installed apps, uninstall them by pressing and holding the app icon, then selecting the option to uninstall. Additionally, ensure that your phone has adequate storage space available. Low storage can lead to performance issues, including freezing. Consider deleting unnecessary files or apps to optimize your device's performance. Next, it is important to check for any available software updates. Open the Settings app by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Scroll down to find the System option and select it. Within the System menu, tap on System Update to check for any updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. After the installation is complete, restart your phone to ensure that all changes are applied. Software updates often include bug fixes that can enhance the stability of your device. Once your device is restarted after the update, test its functionality to see if the freezing issue has been resolved. If the screen remains unresponsive, consider additional troubleshooting steps such as clearing the cache of specific apps or performing a factory reset. However, be aware that a factory reset will erase all data on your device, so ensure you back up important information beforehand. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.